Hello, everyone. This is day 192 of coronavirus quarantine. We have about 31.323 million cases worldwide, and today, what? Didn't really watch any news last night, but Tropical Storm Beta, which is gonna turn into a hurricane, I just know it. Meaning we have already dipped into the Greek alphabet. It's only been done once before. And then what happens after the Greek alphabet, you know? Because we still got, 2.5 months of hurricane season left. And at this rate, we're probably going to run out of the frickin' Greek alphabet, too. What else? What else? No. It's a little chilly outside, which is why I'm wearing a jacket. Even though my window is not open at all. What else? Yes, I'm just holding the gosh darn tripod. Aren't I? Now, what else? What the heck? EDLC. Now, there's the little hole that holds at the bottom of the big pole that holds all this together. Why did I just unset it? I need to reset it down. What else? What else? What else? Anyway. I'm gonna be in here and, yeah, back in the bed, my glasses are off center. Well, frickin' well. Tripod back in me hand, whirling, whacking around. You can see all the little triangles that tripod makes, and you can see that once it's closed, it doesn't matter. And then you can see, yeah. And then you can, well, now it's just back up, and there's a little hole, and yeah. Now I'm back up, and now I'm just biting nails. What else? There's an old newspaper. I need to cover up my legs. Why I decided to wear shorts in this video. Alright. My legs are covered, but tripod's out in the bed here with me. So, well, there's the wall right there, my shadow. There's the wall right there, but my shadow doesn't switch directions, so. There's some pools at the bottom of the top bed. There's, the left side of my chest. There's the right side of my chest. Alright. Now, there's one of me jacket pockets. One of me jacket pockets. And there's somewhere the other one, obviously. It's right there. And then there's one dusty pillow. Yes, this is extremely dusty. This is an extremely dusty pillow with bow behind this arm of the bed. Now, what else? There's, forehead, nose, eye, cheek, and then down here, my neck. There's me neck. And then there's me knee, and then, yeah. I haven't done this on Gerber before. I'm gonna, okay. Me gonna zip it up. And then this is what's inside this pillow right here. You can tell. Yeah. This is what is inside the pillow. Just a bunch of white stuffing. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. I have got to go now. Bye.